ZBRA Technologies Corporation receives little attention, but at least somebody has taken notice. That's because they've been recognized by the United States Postal Service, USPS, with a prestigious Supplier Performance Award for its outstanding contributions to the success of postal service operations and services. ZBRA support for the USPS Eagle Clean initiative, which modernizes scheduling, tracking, approving, and reviewing custodial work, has been instrumental in its success. The company's TC77 touch computers have enabled USPS frontline workers to access the Eagle Clean mobile application, streamlining their workflow and improving productivity. With ZBRA's technology, the USPS can now collect critical near real-time data, including safety alerts for frontline supervisors and carriers. This achievement is not new for ZBRA, as the company has a long history of collaboration with the USPS. In 2022, ZBRA received a Supplier Performance Award for outstanding service and delivery, and it's clear that their partnership continues to thrive. ZBRA's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has earned them a spot as a trusted supplier to leading postal and courier operators worldwide. The USPS recognition of ZBRA's efforts highlights the company's role in helping organizations adapt to changing customer needs and drive sustainable growth. With its cutting-edge solutions and exceptional customer support, ZBRA is on track to continue making a positive impact on the postal industry. Congratulations to ZBRA Technologies. Keep it up. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.